we're going to Nashville for my 30th birthday. I'm so excited. I know that because of COVID and things like that, the world is a lot different now, so the experience, my first time in Nashville, is going to be a lot different than it normally would be, but I'm okay with that. We're gonna follow all the guidelines, social distance, wear our masks, try to have as much fun as possible. I'm sure it won't be a problem because we have our 2 best friends going with us, and they're always fun to be with, and we always have a great time with them. I'm also going to get my first tattoo. I'm really excited about it, so you guys will have to watch the vlog, the next upcoming vlog, to see that. But this vlog, however, is just me preparing for the trip, getting ready, showing you guys some of the things that I do in order to get ready for a trip like this, like doing my tanner and other things like that, and then of course packing and packing tips and things that I've discovered recently that have helped me really with packing and getting ready to go. So all of my essentials, goodies, things that I absolutely have to have with me while traveling, and some of the new outfits and things I picked up to come with me. If you guys are excited about that, give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the vlog. So the first clip we're gonna jump into is from yesterday, and that was right before I was about to apply my tanner. So I was gonna show you guys what tanner I use and all of that good stuff. I had just exfoliated my skin 1 whole day before and gave my skin that time to rest so that it would soak up as much of that tan as possible. And here I am now with the tan on, and it's a stark difference than what I looked like yesterday. So I've scrubbed off all my tanner, starting with a clean slate. It's time to get tan. And I'm using my go-to favorite tanner, Loving Tan, and I'm going to use the color Ultra Dark because I have time to just sit here and marinate today. So I'm going to sit in this. This one you have to wear for at least 6 hours before your rinse. I also love using the 2 hour, but like I said, a little bit of extra time and then I'll get a little bit darker. So I'm going to pop that on and get dressed, and we are going to the store. Isn't that amazing? Look at the difference already. Yes. Sun Queen. So really quickly, I did want to share with you guys this tanning travel trick that I do when I go on vacation in order to kind of maintain my tan, especially if I'm gone for more than 2 to 3 days. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick here. I'm gonna fit all the shit in here. Mike wanted to share a bag. He's like, we're gonna share luggage, right? And I was like, he's like, we're only going, well, I mean, we're only going for 4 days, but you just never know, right? I mean, there's gonna be different activities at different times of the day. So I'm sure that there will be at least 1 outfit change a day. Do you overpack when you go on vacation, or are you like good? Are you like a normal person? Earlier I was saying I had to go shopping. I had to run out to the store because my ass isn't ready for a Southern birthday. I've never had a Southern birthday. I've always had a New York birthday. So around like Virgo time of year, September, it starts getting chilly. It's pretty cold at night. So, we're wearing jeans. We're not wearing shorts anymore. But here, it's gonna be like 80 degrees at night. So I had to find some like dressy shorts, because everything that I own is like jean shorts and they're not even white. So I digress, had to run to Ross. I found 3 items. So I found some shorts. They actually like kind of accentuate my hips a little bit, or my lack thereof. They were only like $10.99, and found this awesome fall colored, camo colored tie-dye long sleeve shirt. I love these like big oversized shirts right now, so this is an extra large, and it was $8. These like jogger pants. They're like kind of thin, but I like that because it's still pretty hot here, but they have like this super wide band at the top, so it really just kind of cinches in your waist. I love how wide they are. I got size medium, so they'd be a little oversized, and these were $8.99. One day we are going hiking. So I just picked up these new running shorts from Gymshark. They're so cute. They just came in today, and they're so nice and lightweight. They're only $25, and they have like this jelly strip inside so they don't slip around. I got size medium. I went on Tiger Mist and found a few bodysuits and stuff that were all on sale. They were like less than $20 on sale. So I got this like snake print bodysuit. It has these cutouts on the side. It's so cute. Except I have a really long torso, so this like, I can't even clip this. It's so uncomfortable. I'm pretty much just gonna kind of tuck these into whatever bottoms I'm wearing because they give you an ultra wedgie. And then I also picked up this one, which I love. I think this is so cute. This just like really cute white bodysuit. It's double lined, really soft material, and then has the buckles on the sides. Here's a hack for you guys. Roll up your socks or underwear, or in this case a shirt, and put them inside your shoes to save space. And then I got this new skirt, this denim skirt from Fashion Nova that I am obsessed with. I think it's like one of the cutest denim skirts I've ever had. So I'll probably wear that with this crop ribbed, like cranberry colored tank top. That is also from Fashion Nova. My leopard print jammy set that I just got from Shop Hopes, and my Shop Hopes jeans I just got as well. You guys would have seen these on my Instagram. And oh my god, I have 3 dresses to pack. And then I also have these little things in them for those of you who have a hard time wearing heels and can't wear them for very long. There's like these little sticky things. I actually got them to wear in my wedding shoes. Kind of stick in the bottom of your shoes right down here, and then you have that extra padding so that they're not so, you know, uncomfortable if you have to wear them all night long. So I have this maxi dress from Hello Molly that I think would be really cute and casual to be like walking around and sightseeing and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys what I'm packing in terms of like getting this whole situation together while wearing this dress. These are gonna be really helpful for you guys. Oh, yes, I love you. I know. I don't know how I'm gonna live without you for 4 days. So there's another thing I wanted to show you guys. I just picked up from Amazon. Super excited to test this out and use this while traveling. It's this like little carry-on makeup bag. All of these different organizers inside of it, and you can kind of like pull them out and move them around to however you want them, so you can customize it. And then in the top here, it has a section for like all of your brushes. I don't know if I'll be able to fit all of my brushes in here, but maybe. There's a good chance. And then just a little pocket in here, which I think what I might do actually with this pocket is put my jewelry in there so that it doesn't get all tangled up and messed up with other stuff. Oh, this is some of the jewelry I got. I've been loving the like stacked chains and things like that. So I got this one actually for like $13 or $15 from Princess Polly, and I got this bracelet as well from there, and then I got this other necklace from Shop Hopes, and I've had these for a while, but I can't decide if I'm going to wear them or not, so I think I'm going to pack them anyway. They're just like little hair clips. So that's my jewelry. Not super exciting, but it's exciting for me because I never wear it. I also have one of these clear bags. These came with my Zuca. So this is normally what I have like a bunch of my makeup from my makeup kit in, but I just took that out, and I love using this because, you know, it's great for TSA and everything like that. So I have all of my skincare. I've got my foundation, skincare, hair stuff, and that tanner, and my setting spray, and I think I'm good to go. I'm surprised it all fit, honestly. So I have this thing pretty much full, and it's funny because there's so much extra space in there because I had to take out, you know, foundations and concealers. So there's like a lot of extra space. This thing holds a lot. The boob tape for my dress. This stuff is a lifesaver. This stuff is called, I believe it's just called like surgical tape. Don't buy the stuff that they market as like boob tape. It's literally the same thing. They just charge you way more for it. This stuff works just fine. So unless you're looking for a specific color, then just go with something like that. It will change your life. And then to also use with that, I think I have packed in here somewhere. And then to stick that to my outfit to make sure it doesn't like pop open and then you can see the tape, I have this Hollywood double-sided tape. So I'll just put that kind of right in between and sandwich those together so that my top doesn't go anywhere. It'll be good for other outfits as well. It's always a good thing to have on hand. Just have Warm Soul by MAC. That one's my go-to #1 blush, so I only wanted to pack one, so that's what I went with. My Laura Mercier powder, and then I have my lashes, the Kiss Lengthen Falscara lashes. That's what they're called. So I have this special glue in here for that. These are some of my favorite lashes, so wanted to pack these. And then I also packed 2 other pairs of lashes in here. My favorite ones, one a little bit more dramatic than the other, so I just have 2 in one. They're the new Bonsum. You guys know I've been using these for years. I have the Bombay lashes that I actually like had cut to my eye shape, so as you can see, like they're a little bit thicker here. Those are the Bombays, and then on this side are like half Australian Mist mink lashes. So on the days where it's like during the day or something, I don't want as dramatic lashes, then I'll just pop those on the outer corner. You guys see me wearing those ones all the time. They're my most worn lashes. For bronzer and highlight, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury. This bronzer is amazing. It's just a really gorgeous color. As you can see, it's like a super mess, but I use it every single day. And this one is the Film Star Bronze and Glow in Fair Medium. Of course, had to pack my favorite highlighter. This one's still my favorite, and it's still going strong. I don't think I'll ever run out of it, even though I use it every single day. The Amrezy highlight. I have my 2 favorite lipsticks, my Charlotte Tilbury go-to lipsticks in Pillow Talk and Kim KW. They're perfect for like a nude pinky lip. And I have my Morphe brow pencil. I have 3 lip pencils. We have 2 MAC lip pencils and the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk pencil. I have Strip Down, and I believe this other one is Oak. And I'm so excited because I literally just found Oak. I've been looking for it everywhere. It was in the bottom of my purse. My brushes fit perfectly. That all worked out. And then in that little pocket, I've got my jewelry, and then I also popped in these little, they're called breast petals. I'll show you guys the box. I just took them out of the box and put them right in there because they're in this like little baggie, but this is really good to also wear underneath that tape so that you kind of protect yourself and you don't have, you know, sticky all over you girls, and it doesn't hurt when you pull it off. So this is a good second layer to put on underneath that. Okay, so it is getting late, my friends, but my last thing of the night is I'm just gonna pop these nails on. I picked these up at Walgreens, and they're so pretty. I feel like they're gonna look so nice with my dress and just everything else. I kind of just go with everything, and I love the clear effect. So I'm gonna pop those on. I'll show you what they look like tomorrow, and I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, I'm back. Today's been crazy. I feel like even though I did all of that packing yesterday, I still had so much to do today, like clean the house and get it ready for the dog sitter and everything. So I've just been running around like crazy. But the good thing is I was planning to do like my makeup, my hair, everything. I just did like basic makeup and didn't do my hair because it's gonna get messed up when I have to wear the mask anyway. So I'll just do my hair when we get there. And so this is why I currently look like this, you know, casual, cute. Just did my nails. This is how they turned out. I think they look so pretty. The thing that I hate though is that the decorated ones only fit like my 3 middle fingers, and I wanted to use all of them. So I have like, they're just like not staggered in a way that I like, but it's fine. I guess they still kind of look good, right? I don't know. So I'm just wearing that outfit that I grabbed at Ross yesterday. Honestly, like this is kind of the perfect airport outfit for me because I'm always cold in airports, always cold in airplanes, so I have to wear some kind of like sweats, but these are like really thin sweats, so they're not going to be too much. And I'm really glad I got a size medium because these are tight. And then we've got this just like oversized t-shirt, which I love. I love not having to wear like a big bulky sweater right now this time of the year. I'm packing a bunch of the RSP Pole bars, the coconut cashew, they're my favorite. So we'll have them while we're on our trip if we need to just grab something really quick. we're good to go. And then I have some of these Made Good mixed berry granola minis and chocolate chip granola minis. And then we have in these the TrueFit chocolate shakes. And then we have one TrueFit, the little packet that came in that RSP big box. So I've been saving the like little sample size stuff so that I can use it for a moment like this, because I can't exactly like take my protein powder with me. So at least I'll have one serving's worth. And then I have the 2 little amino lean BCAAs. Yeah, I think that should get me through about 4 days. So I think that we're pretty much all packed and ready to go. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get there. I'm a little nervous because it is going to be a packed flight and I didn't know that that was going to happen. So I'm a little nervous about that. We also don't really get to sit together. So luckily it's only an hour-and-a-half flight. I'm just going to kind of, I hope window seat, so at least I can just like lean over to the side and just, you know, sit there with my mask and try and stay away from as many people as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and stick around for the future, and I will see you guys in Nashville.